Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change Snapchat ringtone. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Snapchat and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side click on your profile, and now over here you'll see an option for Snapchat Plus. Tap on it. Now if you want to change your Snapchat ringtone, you first will need to upgrade to Snapchat Plus. So at the bottom click on next, and over here choose your plan and click on start free trial. After you have upgraded, you'll see an option for custom ringtone sounds, and there you'll see an option for everyone, and then you'll see the option to add different ringtone sounds. And then select the ringtone you like and just click on done. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.